Today I'm going to show you two different methods to identify a font from a screenshot alone, and that way you can find similar or the same exact font to use in your own designs. So the first method for this is using a really cool tool called What the Font, and this can be found on myfonts.com, which is a massive font library where you can purchase fonts. I will leave a link to this exact page right here in the description. The way this works is you can either paste an image URL if you've got a link to an image with the font in there, then paste that into here, or if you've got a screenshot saved in your device, for example, then you can also upload the image, which is what I'm going to do now. And once you've uploaded the image, you get this box right here, so you can select the words of the font you want to identify. That's helpful if you've got an actual full design with other graphic elements. You can highlight the area where the font is, and then we can click Identify, and it will bring up a long list of results, in this case 80 results, and my example. Now I don't think these are exactly the same font, but they're super close and similar, which is definitely handy. And you can either purchase these on myfonts.com directly. You can see the prices on the right hand side, and it is a bit expensive, so I will show you a tip as well on how to find these elsewhere where it's a bit more affordable. So let's say we like the font Bride Orchid right here. You can just copy the name with Control-C, head over to Creative Fabrica, which I will also leave a link to in the description, and then paste that name into the search mask, hit enter. We can already see the font right here, but if you've got a lot of results and you don't see a font straight away, you can also filter this by fonts over here. That leaves out all of the graphics that we don't want to see. Bright Orchid, perfect. That is the exact same font we just found on the other website. If you're new to Creative Fabrica, you can download this with a free trial, but even if your trial runs out, I think it goes as cheap as like $5 a month typically, which is a lot more valuable than paying outright for the font somewhere else, because you do get a lot of extra fonts and graphics through Creative Fabrica on top of that with the monthly subscription. So it's worth looking for these font names on Creative Fabrica, especially if you have a subscription, because oftentimes you can find them on here as well and you don't have to pay for them individually. Before I show you the second method, which you definitely don't want to miss because it is the better out of the two, I think, I would like to introduce you to Skillshare, who have very kindly sponsored this video today. And Skillshare is an online learning platform where you can find high quality courses on many different subjects. I personally use Skillshare a lot at the beginning of my print-on-demand journey to level up my design skills with tools like Adobe Photoshop or Adobe Illustrator, and there's also a lot of other classes on there. For example, on fonts specifically, you can learn how to create your own fonts even, and then you could sell them online. There's also a variety of classes in many different categories such as photography, graphic design, music, business, and marketing. There's also a full 3-hour print-on-demand course on there by my good friend Shimmy Morris. He's a really great guy. He knows what he talks about, and his video quality is top-notch. So that is another course that I would recommend to you. And the good news is that the first 1,000 people to follow the link at the top of the description will actually get a free month to try out Skillshare. You can watch all of their classes during that free trial and get to know the platform. So make sure to check out that link. Only the first 1,000 people that follow it will get that offer. Method number 2 is on fontsquirrel.com, and they have got a really cool font identifier. We'll leave a link to this site in the description. They also have a lot of free fonts on this website that are good for print on demand. So essentially all you have to do here is upload an image. So in this case, I'll do a more POD centric example. Oftentimes we see a t-shirt design, we wonder what the font is and want to use it in our own design. So that's what I'm doing right here. Let's say you wanted to know what this font is. You can then use this box right here to once again highlight the piece of the design that you want to identify. You can resize the box, or you can also just draw a new one like this. Just click and drag around the word president in my case, because that is the easiest one to make out, I think, for this font. And then you just need to click this purple button down here, and it will quickly load font suggestions. And the good thing about FontSquirrel is it actually gives you different websites. So in this case, we've got FontZillion and we've got FontSquirrel. I've had results where there's a long list of different marketplaces or websites where you can either buy the font or download it for free. So you get a lot of different options, whereas, what the font only shows you results on their actual own website. And in this case, Capture Rate is actually the exact same font that we saw on the t-shirt design. I know this font, I really like it, and you can open it up like this. You've got the two versions right here. It is on Squirrel, available for free download, free commercial use. You can download it up here with this button, and if you're not sure about the licensing, this button over here says this is free for creating commercial graphics and documents. So if the commercial desktop use is enabled, then you can use these for print on demand. If you like free fonts, make sure to check out this video next, where I share 9 must-have free fonts for print on demand.